Oh, goodness. I'm at storage getting a few things. Here comes the first band of the tropical storm, which wouldn't be so bad, but I forgot my windshield wipers are broken. Not good. Darn it. Thank you, Tropical Storm Beta. Shoot. I don't know why I forgot to get my windshield wipers fixed. Darn it. Oh well, I've got quite a ways to go too. Not fun. I have to get on the freeway at that. Even more not fun. Darn. Oh, I can see some. If it starts really pouring, I might be in trouble. Yikeroonies. Man, there's a lot of traffic. When I came over here, there was hardly any traffic. Again, yikeroonies. The San Francisco treat. Yikeroonies. The rain just can't be beat. Oh boy, lucky me. Good thing I have decent vision, but still this isn't cool. Oh man. I totally forgot about this. Forgot about the stupid rains that were coming. Yeah, I know. I'm complaining. I think most people would in these circumstances. Yikes. There's a Dollar Tree. They sell things. But I can't just sit here and roll down my window and drive and try to squeegee off my window either, can I? We'll make it. It just can't stop till I get home. Yeah, stop. Sound like Marge Simpson. Actually, I kind of sound like a cow. Maybe I could just pull over and live in my van for a while. I don't think these rains are going to let up though. I just keep my distance. Don't get too close to nobody's. Pretend you're photo editing and you're using a filter. You know what's under that filter. Yeah. Oh, thank you, you little butt nugget. Yeah, now I gotta watch out for the other guy too. So these lights don't change on me, all that fun stuff. I gotta give up my job. I forget stuff too much now. Too much stress and anxiety, and it just makes me forget to do stuff like this. I get the van in. We took it for a test drive yesterday. It hasn't rained in a while, so I haven't thought about it. But, you know, I think about it when I have stuff done to the van, and then I forget. But took the van in, got new tires, and, you know, I thought that that would make it better, and it did. But started having issues, or had ongoing issues still. So my mechanic friend and I took a drive in it yesterday, and we believe it needs shocks, which wouldn't surprise me because I believe it still has the original shocks on it. It's a 1998, and the rotors need to be redone, which would mean I'd have to get new brake calipers too. But let's get that done and get the windshield wipers fixed. I swear, I could just walk in there to get the windshield wipers fixed, and I would totally forget to tell them that. I would tell them to do the other stuff and forget, hey, you know, windshield wipers, I'd forget. That's the way my life has been lately. Get pulled too many different directions constantly.
All I want to do is go home and edit some videos. That's all I really want to do. Okay, enough griping from me. I'll let you go for a little while.
Oh man, it's getting worse. This isn't cool. I took a shortcut to stay off the freeway. Man, this really sucks. Oh, goodness. Me oh my oh. Help me. I don't want to say the bad words. But this is going up on YouTube, so I'm not allowed to say the bad words. Can I say doggone it? Okay, I see the freeway. Okay, it's letting up a little bit. Thank gosh. Thank gosh. Thank goodness it's letting up a little bit. I went through one patch where it started raining really hard. I was like, uh-oh. So I just really slowed down, and I'm not on the freeway, or I'm not on a main thoroughfare, so I was able to do that. That's why I cut off on the side road. I'm just going to have to follow the access road the whole way home. So I'm not getting on the freeway like this. See, it's, oh my gosh, so hard to see. Lights. Not that that helps me, it just helps others see me, because people can't see huge vans. Okie dokie, I can go. This is nerve-wracking. See, that is hot. Actually, I can see through the camera than I can better through the window. Wow. Oh, I have rain glasses. Shoot, I forgot. Put those suckers on. Try to get them off. Oh, that'll help. Oh man, yeah, that helps a lot. Oh, I can't see the deep water. I'm looking at the world through rose-colored glasses now. I bought these night vision glasses that also help when it rains. And the yellow ones were just too funky, so I bought the rose-colored ones. I'm not liking this. Get me home. You know, I'd pull over for a while, but this isn't going to let up. This is a tropical storm. So it's probably just going to get worse and worse. I just kind of forgot. Man, I can't believe I forget this stuff. Of course, it was, like 72 degrees and really sunny when I first started out. I can't see what's up here. Shoot. Okay, they got that closed off. Okay, sorry folks, I put my hazards on if I get much slower. Saw the orange cones, but I couldn't quite make out. Oh my gosh, this is not safe at all. Call my roadside service and have myself Toto. Oh, I really don't have that much further to go. This is too freaky. And I'm not the type of person that's scared to drive in the rain. However, with no windshield wipers, that adds an extra challenge. Well, I got everything out of storage that I needed. There's always an upside, right? Man, there's no way I could have gotten on that freeway. I believe this lane ends. Yep. I just can't even tell if there's high water on the road yet. There shouldn't be. It hasn't been raining that long. Turn on your windshield wipers, if only. Turn them on, but nothing happens. Maybe I pull a string on them. Wow, it really doesn't look that bad in the camera. It's not. It's bad, guys. At least I drive a big van too, and it's up off the ground. I'm not, this isn't an area for low cars. In fact, I saw a car stuck. It wasn't even in the rain, it was just so low to the ground, it got stuck on a curb. It's like, really? Here's your sign, dude. Get something with some height underneath it. Friend bagged his truck. He bagged his truck, which means he lowered it. Man, that thing got torn up. I don't know what. I don't get it. I don't get the bag thing. Why? I guess they think it looks cool. I don't know. Okay, we're getting closer. Get me home, my little angels. Get me home. Next exit. And then I'm not too far. New tires are nice. Gotta be an optimist. New tires are nice. Come on, baby, come on. You know, one of the things about my Dodge van was if the brakes got wet, man, that sucked. Haven't had that happen with this Ford van. But yeah, I've had the brakes get wet a few times on the Dodge. That wasn't fun. You go to use your brakes and you have none. Okay, the exit I've been waiting for. Whew, just a short lag from here. I wonder if I can get a day off tomorrow. A tropical storm might deserve a day off. Yeah. Dang. Hey, the underpass was really nice. Why can't it go with me? Then I need a canopy for my windshield. Then I can see, right? Must invent one. Oh, almost there. Thank you for hanging with me. Somebody had to stay with me. Ah! I'm sure these people in front of me are getting kind of sick. Oh no, I'm doing the speed limit actually. Okay. People in front of me? How about the people behind me? I don't even know what I'm saying. Has no clue. Hey, there's a curve. Follow the white dotted line. I was gonna say the yellow brick road, but that didn't work. Oh, yay! Yay, 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 yay! We're here, folks. We are here. Thank goodness. We be here! I don't know why I'm stopping. I'm waiting for those lights to change up there. Look at that. It doesn't rain in the park much. Look at that. It's cleared up. So weird. The rain tends to avoid us often. Really weird. It's okay. Get a chance to grab my stuff and get inside. Oh no, it'll start pouring when I have to go inside, right? I'm driving faster than I normally would, but who cares? Okay, back up into my spot. I'd be home. A little too close there. Pull it out a little bit more here. We did it! Yay, we did it! Thank you guys, thanks. Thanks for riding with me. I will catch y'all later. Wow, that was 13 minutes of filming. Sorry, 13 minutes, you're not gonna get back. Love y'all. Live the life you love.